Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to turn on mobile hotspot in your Android phone. So at first open up your settings app. Now from here go to connections and then go to mobile hotspot and tethering. Then go to mobile hotspot. Now by tapping here you can turn on mobile hotspot in your phone. And it's done. Now if you want to configure your mobile hotspot, just tap here. From here you can change your mobile hotspot network name. Also from here you can change your mobile hotspot password. Also from here you can change your mobile hotspot frequency. You can set 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz as you preferred. If I select 5 GHz and then tap on save, and it's done. Now your mobile hotspot is ready for use. Now if you go to home screen and then swipe down one more time. Now here in the control center you can see mobile hotspot option. You can also enable or disable mobile hotspot from here. And that's it. You have successfully turned on mobile hotspot in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.